Board of Fellows, Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria presents the 7th public lecture holding on Wednesday, 2nd July 2025 between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. at Festival Hotel, former Golden Tulip, Amuwo Odofin, Lagos State.
Theme:
Mental health, a basic human right crucial to personal, community, and socio-economic development.
Chairman of the occasion:
Mudashiru Obasa, Honorable Speaker, Lagos State House of Assembly.
Keynote address speaker:
Dr. Bonjubola Abiri, Consultant Psychiatrist, Managerial Psychologist, CEO, Ready-Made Consulting Services.
Chief host:
Farm Tanko Ayuba, FPSN, President, Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria.
Host:
Farm Uchenna Yu Akpakama, FPSN, National Chairman, Board of Fellows, PSN. Farm Prince Benga Falabi, FPSN, Chairman, Central Planning Committee.
Panelist:
Commander Abubakar Liman Wali, Lagos State Commander, National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA. Dr. Lucas B. Koyejo, Director, Coordinator, National Human Rights Commission, Lagos State. Farm Mrs. Veronica Modupe Okubeni, Consultant Clinical Pharmacist, Federal Neuropsychiatrist Hospital, Yaba, Lagos. Official Media Partner, CEO, Africa.